Essential oils on your feet? Yes, really. Putting essential oils on the feet is really the best place to put it, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit why and show you exactly how I do it. So stay tuned. Again, this is Anna Laura Brown of AnnaLauraBrown.com and DiscoverOilsNow.com. Okay, so this is my lovely foot, which as you can see, it's still, I think, a little bit bigger and swollen from when I actually sprained it and accident about 6 weeks ago. Okay, so the main way that I put essential oils on the feet, there's a couple different ways, but you can either use a roller bottle where the essential oil is already pre-diluted. So for example, this is oregano, and oregano is a super hot oil, so you would never ever want to just put oregano direct on your foot. And I basically just roll it on the big toe there, get it nice and big, roll it on the bottom side of the ankle. You can roll it a little bit up on the side, that kind of thing. And then as we're coming into the winter season for some immune support, I'm also going to use the On Guard as well. Okay, there we go. And then you want to put some cotton socks directly on the feet after that. And then you also could use, you know, like something like this is just one I sometimes will use, a blend that's like for your cellular health. And you can, this particular one is pretty much already diluted and not hot, so you can just rub some additional drops on it. Otherwise, a lot of them you want to mix it with a carrier oil and then just massage it on the foot, kind of like I did with the roller bottle. So anyhow, that is how you do essential oil on the feet. Now, why do you want to do it that way? Well, the main reason is that your foot contains the most porous parts of your body, and whatever you put on your foot will absorb up into your bloodstream through the rest of your body. Now, if you weren't aware of that, it's something to think about, not just when it comes to essential oils, when it comes about where you're stepping, where you're putting your foot. I mean, even things like cleaning chemicals, if you are stepping on those after cleaning, you are absorbing those chemicals into your body. If you ask me, that's a yikes. So anyhow, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have questions, as always, feel free to let me know.